everyone. Today we are going to be doing a side parts ponytail tutorial, and I'm also going to be reviewing some hair that I received this month. So before we get into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button, because if you're watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Also, remember to click that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. So this hair should sound familiar to you guys if you've been watching my hair videos. This hair is from CurlKalon Hair. So I received this, and let me show you what we got. So it's not a wig or anything, but it is 2 drawstring ponytails. So this is the company, and this is the card that came with the hair. This is a Black-owned company. And if you haven't checked out my last CurlKalon review video, you might want to check that out. It will be linked up there somewhere. So yeah, you don't want to miss it. So today I have, firstly, a straight blown out 18-inch drawstring ponytail. Let me take it out so you can see it. So it's blown out straight, kind of like that headband wig I reviewed last time. Exactly the same texture, okay? So it's that. And these are the combs for the ponytail. You literally put on the ponytail and then you can tighten it up with this, which y'all will see after I'm done laying my foundation and everything for the ponytail. And then our next ponytail we have is actually a Wet and Wavy ponytail. It's also 18 inches. Let me take it out of this hairnet. Super cute, very like Wet and Wavy type of look. So yeah, also has the same thing, the combs as well as the drawstring. So to do my ponytail, I'm gonna do a slick back side part ponytail. So to do that, we are gonna be using a few products today. So first, what I wanna do is comb out my hair. So my hair is still kind of damp and frizzy for me washing it. So that's why it's looking kind of crazy, but it doesn't matter since we're gonna be doing a ponytail anyway. And I want a side part, so I'm gonna go ahead and part it like so. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take some of this edge effect on my hands and kind of rub it in, and go ahead and put this in a ponytail in the back. My hair is very, very, very thick, especially without it being blow dried straight. So yeah, this is easier said than done. So I'm gonna put some at the bottom as well. Take my brush. Oh, my hair sheds so much. I feel like it's getting everywhere, but that's okay. That is okay. So I'm gonna put it about here because I don't want it to be too high, but I also don't want it to be too low. So yeah. Okay, so now that this is pulled back into a ponytail, I'm basically gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and gel the rest of this back. And then after that, I'm gonna put another ponytail holder on it because I want it to be really slick back and strong. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna do the same for this as well, because this really needs to be strong because this is a lot of thick hair I have, especially on this side. So stay tuned and watch me work. Okay, so I was supposed to do a whole side swoop, but my hair was just not working today. It was just not doing what it was supposed to do. So I decided to improvise, and I think this will be a little cute touch to my ponytail. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Got to Be Glued so that way this will hold. So first what we're gonna do is do the Wet and Wavy ponytail. So I am going to brush this out so that way it can get some more body going. I don't want the curls to be too tight, so I'm just gonna brush this out. See that? That's how you want it. That's how you want it. You want some body. So, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to, you know what, actually, what I wanna do is I wanna plait this. Before I put this ponytail on. I don't know, it just seems like it'll turn out better if I plait it like straight down. Okay, so I didn't have a rubber band, so I just used my scrunchie. Hopefully it holds up. Okay, so I'm gonna take this comb and I'm going to place it right above my ponytail, and then I'm gonna take the bottom one with placing my little plait inside. And I'm going to put that comb directly under my ponytail. Next, what I want to do is I want to take the drawstring. I'm supposed to tighten it up. You see how it's tightening? And then hold it like that. Easy schmeezy peasy. Easy peasy, right? You definitely want to make sure the comb is like right there, like right up on your ponytail. So that way it looks as natural as possible. Let me tighten this up some more, just a little more. Okay. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around like so. I'm just gonna hold it with a bobby pin, hold it in. Gonna bobby pin it. And that's that. So take a look at the back so you can get a good look at it. really freaking cute. It's such a cute look, such a cute ponytail. Or what you can do, like, to better hide it is you can take a piece of hair like this and just wrap it around. To me, that's the best way to do it because it really, really covers like the beginning of the hair. So I just wrap the hair around and I bobby pin it so it stays in place. And voila. So this is how the hair looks. So much body, so much body. I'm loving it. And I kind of like that the swoop didn't work out because this is different. You know, it's a little razzle dazzle up here. So yeah, I'm kind of glad the swoop didn't really work out. I think this is cuter. So yeah, this is 18 inches, wet and wavy. Let me know what you think. You just pull it off. It's really that easy. The only thing that made it take a little longer was the fact that I had the bobby pins or whatever, but you just loosen it up like that and it's loose again, loosey-goosey, and we're back to normal. That is so much easier than, you know, when you go to the beauty supply, get your little bundle of hair and then you have to wrap it around like your plait or whatever. Like, this method is so much easier, like so much easier. Like, I think I found like a new style because I've been wanting to do a ponytail, especially since it's summer and it's hot and people don't always want to wear wigs. You try to wear your natural hair straight or curly and the frizz just destroys it. So I feel like if you keep your hair slicked back, it'll be fine, especially if you have a drawstring ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb this out. This is the blow dried straight hair. So this one already has a lot of body, so you don't really have to do much to this. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you from the side. You put the comb as close to the ponytail as possible, and then with the bottom, you do the same. Honestly, it'll be better without the plait. Like, if you just put your hair in a little ball like that, that would be good too, because either way, I mean, it's a drawstring like I said. So, and then I don't know if you all see that drawstring right here. Ooh, this comb is having a hard time staying in. I'm just gonna hold it there, and then I'm just going to take this and pull to tighten it. And then take this and voila. And then I'm going to wrap this around like so. And then, let's see, where's the little ball? I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna safety pin it because that's easier. And that's that. This is how it looks. Let me know which ponytail you like the best. I actually like both of them. They give like different looks. Both have body. This is how the back looks. I feel like with this one though, you could even like turn it into like a bun, a back bun, if you wanted to. Like that. Like, I think that's super cute. Let me safety pin it. Pin it. Bobby pin it. If I've been saying safety pin this whole time, y'all know what I mean. So yeah, I really freaking love this look. This look is freaking everything. Wow. Guys, like, this is it. well, it feel, but like I really love that bun. I would just have to secure it with a few more bobby pins, but y'all, I love it. I freaking love it. Like, so easy. You ain't gotta worry about wrapping the hair around and trying to get it to blend at the end. Like, no, like you just put this on, pull, wrap, you're done. Like, it is so freaking easy. You don't have to worry about a whole bunch of tracks just all laid out and you're trying to make sure they don't tangle. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's a struggle when trying to do a ponytail, especially when you're a beginner. So I feel like this is beginner friendly and it's easier. Like, who wouldn't want an effortless hairstyle? Who wouldn't? So yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Let me know what you all think in the comments, and the info on this hair will be in the description box, guys. So remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.